by the time we get to the first week of February, that's kind of the first sign that we actually have more of the core cold in North America rather than in Siberia.
The prairie provinces have been enjoying a relatively warm winter so far, with continued above normal temperatures. But that is all about to change, with a Mars-like polar vortex making its way to Canada. The polar vortex drifting over Siberia and northern Russia has generated the coldest temperature of the year, eclipsing minus 62 degrees Celsius on January 14th. For perspective, this record low for 2023 is around the average temperature on Mars and would freeze exposed skin in seconds. Now, Canadian meteorologists say this polar vortex is heading to Canada.
What that could mean is it could be more fuel for Colorado lows, which Manitoba could be on the top side of. But typically, when you're that cold, it's very hard to get snow.
Forecasts indicate colder than normal temperatures for the month of February in BC, the Prairies, Northwest Territories, the Yukon, and parts of Ontario. Meteorologist Kevin McKay from the Weather Network says the current jet stream providing warm air to much of North America will dissipate, and we'll start to see the Arctic air drain south, meaning our winter vacation is ending.
The location and the strength of this one will be good news for winter lovers in Eastern Canada, and even in the prairies.
McKay says Winnipeg has been experiencing extremely mild weather. He says Winnipeg averages around 18 nights in January below minus 20 degrees Celsius. And during this warm snap, it's only happened once this month.
This is an outlier for sure, so enjoy it while it lasts.
Conditions in Manitoba will change as early as next week. Environment Canada meteorologist Natalie Hazel says the province will experience very near warning criteria conditions, temperatures hovering around minus 40 degrees Celsius.
Looking at these conditions, probably be near warning criteria for areas in the north, and depending on exactly how far south all of this cold air comes, we're likely to be a near criteria or actual warning criteria.
With the possibility of temperatures dipping to the low minus 40s, Hazel says it's important to prepare.
Please check the forecast, check current conditions, check road conditions if you do have to travel.
Long-range forecasts are showing this cold snap could last into the latter part of February. In Winnipeg, Alex Karpa, City News.
Next on